unbox this shit once and for all. It looks kind of mashed down there. I'm not sure. Let's just open it to be sure of what we're going to do. So let's get over with this. Okay. Just hope I did not damage anything inside that way. Okay. Right here we have our small tripod. As you can see, it looks kind of modified. Not bad after all. I was not expecting this type of tripod to come with the light, and yeah, here is it. Okay, I think the tripod is in good shape. Let's get this on. Good. Let's see. Actually, it looks bigger than I thought, because I was actually getting the light to fill in shadows. There are usually shadows appearing in the background anytime I'm recording, so this is it. Let's see. Forgot to tell you, this can actually extend out. As you can see, it's longer now, and I can easily compress it back. Same thing with the other one. I can extend it and compress it as long as I want. I have to use a tape to check the actual measurement before I can tell you the actual length, but as you can see right now, it is extendable. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, it comes in with this, so you can easily change that and replace it with one of these. So this way we are able to dim the light if we want. Change the color as many times as I don't think we are to remove this one. We just have to replace it. So that's just the main thing. I think we bought two. Here's another one. Let's create the photo and open that one. Same thing, modified tripod. I won't get time today. The open and one by one. Same thing. This goes like this, I guess. As you can see, it comes with the same thing, same packaging, same lights, nothing special. This will work best in filling out the shadows, so I'm going to try it out right now. Let me see if I can connect this to, let's see if it turns on. And the cables are kind of long, yeah? Let's take it like this. As you can see, it is on already. It is on. The cable is extended, so I'm unable to. There is this thing attached to it. That is what I use to turn it on. As you can see, so let me turn it off right now. That is off, and right here, as you can see, I'll allow the camera to focus properly on that. So there is the plus and minus button and this to change the stuff, so I'm going to try that out right now. I think it is maxed out right now. That's the maximum brightness, and I can reduce the brightness if I want. As you can see, it is reduced already. And to change it, so yeah, this is going to do a lot in changing filling shadows in the background actually. So if I want, I could just replace this with one of these, and boom, my RGB is here. Or blue, if I want blue. If you see the reflection on the tripod, the reflection on my hand, that is exactly why I get it. So done and dusted.